Oh, well, hello there. Hey, top of the morning, XO Cole. Looks like the market is doing a lot of moving. All right, so I'm gonna say, yo, here we are, getting a little trading in. I am, I feel I'm interested in Meta, the SPY, and potentially AMD for trades. I like the idea of trying to potentially catch a breakout on Meta. Meta looks like it just went on a on a run a little bit, but not trying to like hop in too early. Volume's extra low on it right now. Should love see. Good morning. D Scurv, top of the morning. Fig IPO. Oh yeah, let's check out Fig. Okay, nothing yet. But hey, we got it. Hey, we got it right there, chilling, big chilling. Uh, Yoko, good morning. Levi, top of the morning. Oh, let me slide that over on the SPY. Yeah, I see. We looks like we had a lot of volatility this morning. Think it will release soon. Open is at 60. Oh, that's wild. Let me read up on Figma a little bit. Okay, so Fig. Wait, hold up. That's financials. Where's like the company bio? There's usually like a little. So they're packaged software, technology services. Um, Balance sheet appears to be improving. Thoughts on Microsoft? Microsoft is a good company. It continues to go up. Beyond that, I don't really have too much to say. It's at all-time highs. I didn't really like look at his earnings. It's currently crossed to the downside right now. The volume is decreasing on it. So honestly, I'm not really sure. I didn't. Microsoft's quarterly revenue hit 76.4 billion, up 18% year over year, driven by a 39% rise in Azure services. I mean, it looks bullish. Looks like a good opportunity to buy on a pullback. But yeah, right now it's just looks like a little sell off this morning, a little pullback in there. What's up? Adobe tried to buy it and SEC rejected. Interesting. Hey, that's some validity right there. Adobe tried to buy it. Okay. You said that drop was glorious. I'm guessing you made some money, Yoko. Yeah, it was actually. Yeah, nice little drop from when it broke support. That's nice. Marvin, top in the morning. The experts are saying Fig is the new circ. Oh no. Oh no. Actually, I gotta give like a red flag warning whenever they say stuff like that. Cause it's like, yo, it'll move like that, and then I don't know. So I guess we can watch it, see how it goes, see what pops off. But it's like I'm always hesitant. It's like Somebody tried to tell me something was the new something. I think they said something was the new something. I was like, oh yeah, let me grab some just to see. Let me check in on the new. I think they said it was like the new hymns or whatever. Hymns is still hymns. So what was what's that? What's that? Oh, interactive brokers. Jamie, good morning. Oh yeah, I'm down like 25% on that too. All right, but I'm up on my Estee Lauder. That's the only other thing I have in that portfolio. But looking good on the Estee Lauder. Anella, good morning. Justin, hey, top of the morning. Kwame, hey, top of the morning. Oh yeah, be sure to hit the like button, family. Starting off a little weak on the likes. Hey, 34 people on. Hey, we got not even at 50%. I know we can get there, family. Let's see. Thinking of buying one stock and tracking it. Hey, that's a good way to do it, E-Scurv. That's it might be a move. Good morning, a lot of money out here in these streets. Hey, also, it is also the last day of July. Don't forget about that, guys. But yeah, a lot of money. Hymns paid on calls. I closed. Hey, let's see. Let's see where Hymns is at right now. I know everything just took a dip. UNH. Yo, it's getting nice. Like nice. Like I like what I see. Still like looking at those levels I told y'all about the other day, but yo, it's looking nice. Bought some more UNH around two. Hey, it's a good place to get in there, in my opinion. Here, let me see. Oh wait, wrong. Y'all think SPY will come back to retest before going down some more? I think it might be a move potentially. Like I want to do something with Meta, but doesn't fully look like it's ready to do anything yet. APLD took a rocket ship. Yeah, I saw whenever Meta announced their earnings, APLD kind of, did they have earnings yesterday, or was that like kind of off the back, or maybe it was Microsoft? But APLD, I saw they kind of jumped up too. Where are they at? I just saw them. Yeah. Oh, it was an earnings move. Yeah, APLD did their thing. Guess we never quite got that pullback I was hoping for. Let me look at this on the weekly real quick though. All right, so on the weekly, I mean, it was there. APLD was in a pullback for June and July. Yeah, it was a solid little pullback. Yeah, it was a good little opportunity right there. Honestly, may not be out of the woods yet. may not be out of the woods. I don't know. I feel like oh, it seems like we're coming up off of things, but then also like we want to come down at the same time. I kind of feel like I don't know. I guess a little uneasy about things. I hope SPY does retest. Currently in a 639 call up. Hey, I was just looking for a retest of around the 638 level, but yo, if they want to pull it back up there, that's cool too. My life be like top of the morning. Elegant Boom, good morning. My issue, good morning. Yeah, APLD's right here. You can see the price right here. But if it wants to take out that high at 34.21, hey, then we're talking. Oh, thank y'all. Thank y'all for the blessings. Yeah, this volume on Meta got low. Let me peep this on the 4-hour again. We might end up consolidating on this for a little bit. Meta might be maybe a tomorrow or next week kind of thing for me. Still got my eye out on it though. Frank, good morning. Oh, I just got all the. Whoa, hold up. What just happened? I just got stuff popping up on my computer. Oh, I think I accidentally opened that. Oh yeah, we got Apple. Hey, let me know when if y'all see when Figma goes live or Fig goes live, but take a quick look at Apple. I know they got earnings today too. Yeah, they're kind of at a pretty solid level of support. Oh, on the 4-hour, they're already pretty oversold. Let me see what kind of movement they're pricing in. All right, what you got, Apple? All right, so it looks like Apple pricing in about a $6 movement to the upside. Then maybe about 5 to the downside. Let me check this range on Apple. 6. I'm not feeling anything for it. Southern Magnolia, good morning. Jojo, morning. Top of the morning. Roblox up 12%. Yeah, Roblox been going wild, man. Let's see. Hey, hold up. Let's look. Amazon. Yo, Amazon is right over here. Oh, Amazon is coming off the trend line. They got earnings this evening. Hold up. What are the numbers looking like for Amazon? Let's see. All right, so Amazon is pricing in about, I think, like a $7 move. Yeah. Yeah. Amazon's pricing about a $7 move. Check this real quick. Yeah, kind of got all our data in. You said Amazon had earnings yesterday. Not. Amazon has earnings today. From what I can see. Or had. Wait. July. Nah. Yeah, Amazon's earnings is tonight. Hey, you had me thrown off for a second. Yeah. Hey, the EPS whispers does not lie. Got Amazon, Apple, Coinbase, Reddit, Riot, Cloudflare, Roku. And then like you got some of your oil companies tomorrow, like Exxon, Chevron. You got Moderna. Yeah. Oh no, I think the big move in after hours was in response to Meta's earnings. So whenever Meta had this move, a lot of other stuff had crazy moves too. Like if we go over to, I think AMD had a solid move last night too. I think there were a lot of things that moved up. Oh, Marvin, 1 second. Yeah, I can get that to stop. I don't control them unless I don't control the ads unless I remember to click that setting. Otherwise, when I first start the stream, it's automatic. Here, let me turn on live chat because I see some of these coming in out of order. Natasha, good morning. But yeah, shouldn't be any more ads unless I think if you leave the stream and come back, you'll probably get an ad. But other than that, I don't think so. Good morning, Ann. You said, do I trade biotech stocks? Not not specifically. I typically stick to like Mag 7 and the SPY. It's like I will on occasion if I like a chart and if I like the volume and like under the proper conditions, but more often than not, nah, for the most part I don't. Like sometimes I'll maybe ride along for momentum, but yeah, otherwise I don't know. No ads with paid sub. Yeah, when it comes to like if you got YouTube Premium, yeah, I never yeah, no ads. Ooh, wow. Oh yeah, y'all can see that. But I'm looking at this UNH call. Honestly, I still feel like it's solid. It's way down, but I still feel like this is a decent contract. I'm glad I didn't get it yet, but this right here, this thing is down considerably. Still think it can go down more. Got a whole lot of consolidation going on. Low volume moves. Yeah, something to do with Medicaid and Medicare. Yeah, that's I think that's been like their whole move this year, UNH being down. Oh wait, hold up. All right, so like short term, this is a beautiful opportunity. Like yeah, it's like a combination of like we got their CEO. I think we had their CEO like kind of being ended, and then they had another one that left, and then yeah, the whole situation with oh, I guess the Medicaid and Medicare. Yeah, that's I would love to see it push and sweep this low down here, and that'll be when I finally get in. There is a low right here that could be swept short term. I'm not going to try to play it. But yeah, this is like final boss for me. But UNH has been a very dirty company for many years. Some people still love them. Hey, for me, it's not about love. It's more just hey, getting this money in my eyes. But what was I going to say? I believe that is why their CEO was ended because that's how people feel. But me personally, I feel like the whole insurance and the whole, pretty much everything monetarily when it comes to healthcare, it's all a scam in my eyes. But that's neither here nor there. It's just bro, it's all crazy. Let's see. Yeah, we kind of got a little almost double bottom action on AMD. 100%. No attachment to companies or stocks. It is an avenue to make money. No. Oh yeah. Hey, for real. Cause Honestly, if I was like, yo, every little thing these companies do, I can't I'm no longer associated with them. That's gonna hold me back in life because every single company, yo, doing something bad in some kind of way. I don't know if y'all saw this whole what company is it? Is it American Eagle? And is it American Eagle? I know they got the jeans and what's her name? Do I mess with SoFi? Yeah, I have SoFi. I mess with SoFi. Yeah, I mess with SoFi. I bank with them. I don't like. They're not my main account. They're like. I think my predominant ones are like Chase and Navy Federal. But I think they're my third position bank. I would say. I think I have a couple other ones I use, but like when it comes to me throwing money, yeah. You said I have a call on Microsoft 5:50 for tomorrow. Am I cooked? Um, I mean, we can look at Microsoft. Let's take a second look. I'm going to say no, you're not, because we're coming into the end of the month. But also, I'm not saying it's coming back either. All right, so right now the trend on the short term is down, and you're also making a short term play. Like when you look at the 4 hour, it's just a pullback, but you want to know when it stops pulling back. Because ideally, like looking at this 4 hour, it's like, oh, you got the 13 EMA here. We don't know that it's going to stop there, but if it stops there, it's like, okay, pull it back to 527. There's no telling what happens overnight. Um, this wild little thing going on right now. We have earnings season going on, so we will also be affected overnight by what occurs with wait that's will be affected overnight by what happens with Amazon earnings and Apple earnings, and just also tomorrow morning we have average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate will be affected by. We have so much that can affect this price, so it can blast to higher highs, but it can also like sit and do nothing. Like if we look at Meta's going to go a lot higher. I really want to get in it, but I don't want to get in it until I see it like make a new high, and I want to see increased volume. So like right at open, it opens at 776, runs up, makes a new high at 780, just below 785, drawing a bunch of people in, and now it's kind of like trapped them in their trade, and they're just kind of losing money. But that's if they got contracts for tomorrow. But I'm trying to like avoid that, and it's like, oh, maybe I can get these same contracts that people may have paid like maybe like 400 for if we're just consolidating and it's something for tomorrow. If I see a breakout towards the end of the year, I might be able to snag it for like 50, like the same contract, or maybe 20. Because after you get that IV, like that high IV, and like it just dies like that, yo, it gets kind of bad. So I don't know if you're cooked, but it really just depends on what kind of script they trying to run. I could see us pushing up, but I can see them wanting to wait. I could see us just staying in this range. I could see us pulling back. So it's kind of any man's game right now with the market. The VIX is it's chilling right now. You said yes, the Nazi American Eagle thing. Okay, I actually on the cool. I think I've seen the ad. I didn't like look into it that much. I'd like to say it's not that deep, but also I do think also I don't know. It's like I like to say the ad's not that deep because I feel like people look too deep into a lot of things, but also you have things that like people aren't looking deep enough into. But my take on that, I feel like people are like, bro, something that's meant to be a joke. I feel like people try to be offended about things, but also, I don't know, sometimes it is deeper than you think. So, just keep them eyes like kind of squinted and watch. I don't know, but I don't think it's that deep. 62% of us aren't lurkers. Oh shoot, 60. Hey, you with the percentages, Danny. Okay, I see you. Okay, all right. We gotta get that lurch situation or lurk situation figured out. Oh, we got 48 likes. Hey, good job. But I see we got what's that? What we got 16 lurkers. That's a lot of lurkers. Meta is super expensive on the options. It'll hit 1K though. Pop. Yeah, I would say. Natalie, what's up? What's up? All right, so we got AMD moving up. We got SPY moving up. So this is a potential retest kind of area. Hold up. So we might have a trend here. Trend line. Let's see. See if we can get a break of this. Maybe. I'm not sure how valid that is. Let's try at 10. Let's try at 15. No, I don't like that. Get that. All right, so I'm going to just watch the volume a little bit on the 5. But ideally, this is like an area to short. But also, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to watch the volume. Oops, I was lurking. Oh, Lambo doors. So you weren't lurking. I saw your comment, but you just forgot to like. But hey, it is what it is. Hey, lurk no more. What's up, Steve? How you doing? Appreciate the support. Your APLD leaps are flying. Hey, to the sky. Hey, quick APLD check in. Let's see. 1328. 1328. Looking good. Let me I'm a little hot. This gonna have to come off. YouTube is telling me now would be a good time for ads. Is now a good time for ads? No, we're chilling. Natalie, hopefully you have a bunch of them. Torrance, good morning. What's up, bro? Yeah, volume's pretty low right now for most of what I'm looking at. Trying to look for a little change. Perfect time. Wait. I have to. Hey, nice, Natalie. Perfect time for an ad. I have premium, so it's all. Man. Lambo doors. You wildin', man. This man said I got premium. Watch the pullback to 1310. Was it Anthony Central Florida Street Glide or did I make that up? I saw one of your reels. I think I saw two of them actually. I was like, hey, I think you were like rolling, had some music on. I was like, hey, cool. All right, so we're still moving up on the SPY right now. Still, hey, none of this movement matters. There is no volume. It's like, hey, we don't trust it. we don't trust it with this low volume. We want to see an increase in volume so we can and say like, oh yeah, it's all good to get in. Tesla about to make it. Let's look at Tesla. So they just crossed to the downside on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. They're at an area of support, but what happens here? 30-minute. Oh yeah, they've been selling off kind of hard. Go down to a 15. Yeah, they could be getting ready to have some kind of like reversal kind of move. You got the volume tapering off. Yeah, they could be getting ready to make a move the other way, especially after all that. So I'll say it's valid. Scalped an SPX put for 130. Nice. Hey, good stuff, Anthony. Also picked up a leap on wing a couple weeks ago. Here, let me check in. See, is that wing stop? See. Oh yeah, them boys flying. Yeah, that's good stuff right there. No lurks on. What's up, DGZ? Okay. Would you look at Wingstop? Honestly, it's been a few years since I've had Wingstop. It tastes good. It's just I always feel like body wise, I feel like so bad every time after I had it. It's like it's so good, like to the taste. But yeah, I was like, yo, I gotta stop eating this because I just feel bad after. I got one like, I don't know, like within 2 miles of me though. And it was like, I'm always like, oh, should I get it? I'm like, nah, Matthew, stay strong. But yeah, their stock is doing this thing. I DoorDash my college all the time, and more times than not it's Wingstop. Hey, when I was in college, the Wingstop was popping for sure. Yeah, like, yeah, it was a good move in college. Go with my friends or, yeah. Hey, Wingstop's nice. It's just like once I learned about the concept of listening to your body, I'm like, oh. I remember when I was like I don't know. I was young, like really young, like when I used to run summer track. I had like some friends I would hang out with. And like I don't know, we'd have like those little popsicles that like are in the little clear plastic things that it's essentially just like frozen juice. I don't know, the ones that come with like a bunch in a pack. And I don't know, I would eat a bunch of those, and I know on the days I had practice, yo, I always felt like if I had a bunch of those, bro, I was always like, oh no, I shouldn't have had all those. Or I used to also be on like Kool-Aid too, and not just like a little, not just like the Kool-Aid, pour like, bro, you make like a gallon and you pour like 3 or 4 full cups of sugar in that thing. And if I had too much of that, bro, yeah, I was regretting it later. So I was like, I learned how to listen to my body. I'm like, oh yeah, I can't do this anymore. Or when I had too many cookies, it's like, oh no, it has to stop. But then I do it again. But I think I'm getting better about it now. Now it's like, I can have some, but yo, not too much. And look at that, APLD, 32.95%. All right, SPY is, the longer SPY sits at this level, the more intriguing it is. You also zoom in on Tesla. Oh. I feel like I want to put something up here aside from Wingstop. Oh yeah, Carvana is popping too. I got an alert about this morning. I think it's from something like I charted with y'all some time ago, but Carvana, they ripped through this. Can I take a look at iron? I don't see why not. Is there a certain time frame we're looking at? On the 4 hour, first thing I see is like kind of like a downtrend kind of move. It looks like it may have just like broke and tested a trend or something. All right, here let's oh yeah, SPY's still trying to go up slowly. Wait, when did bull get here? What was down here? The 1 day. I usually jump around the 1 day. Yeah, I'm gonna go 4 hour. Similar story. It looks like it's about to break up though. If I were looking at the 1 day, I'd feel as if I'd let's see. I'll probably have that there, but yeah, I don't really do 1 day, so I probably once again put that back on the 4 or where I had it for the 4, and then say it looks like it is trying to break out. Let me hop up to the weekly. Okay, don't necessarily see anything right now, but looks like it's trying to break up. All right, we got the SPY kind of pushing up too. We also have this 48 EMA up here as well though. Since it has been a minute, what all trades are you in right now these days? Mm, I don't fully know how to answer that question. Like what trades am I in right now, or because I'm in a lot of kinds of trades. Like I got some leaps, got some I got two leaps. I got something on bull, got something on Pfizer. Got some looking at a SPY swing for mid-August. Are you trying to swing up or swing down? Tesla grinding up. Oh, that's what was right there. I was like, yo, what was just right here? Oh, you're in a call. See, it's like naturally I want to be like, yo, you think it can keep going? But then it's like SPY keeps on showing you it can keep going. So, I mean, that's definitely trading with the trend. It looks like yesterday after FOMC was kind of like the solid pullback opportunity, but it looks like it can keep going. I'm gun shy for August calls. Well, they say historically August is like a pullback month, but I don't know. I'm really just trying to. Today is a big day because it's the last day of the month. But I'm just trying to see. I don't know what I was trying to say, but yeah, hey, Tesla is going for it. You got the increase in volume. Yeah, they're gunning for it. How do you get the volume bars underneath the chart where the RSI is? So I think, let me see. So if you go to indicators and if I were trying to, oh, let me see if I can find another thing. So if I wanted to add VWAP down here or something, or I don't know. So let me just clear this one out right here. Let me delete that. All right, so right here, the RSI, we don't have no longer have the volume right here on this one. So if I want the volume there, I'll go to indicators, volumes right here. Oh wait, hold up. And then let's see, go to settings and you have the move to. So I can move to a new pane above. I don't want a new pane. I can move to a new pane below. I don't want a new pane. So I'll just move it to existing pane below. And then now it's down there. Hopefully I explained that in a way that wasn't too confusing. Or hopefully you saw that. I feel like it wasn't confusing, but you shouldn't have got an ad or anything. So yeah, hopefully you saw it. Got in on Tesla call when you said it, up 20%. Yeah, Tesla looks like it's doing its thing. Yeah. Hey, you can thank Steve for that, cause I was just talking about like, yo, it looks like it could. Yeah, it looks solid. But oh. Thank you, Natalie. Hey, very, very welcome, Elegant Boom. Yeah, I prefer it down there as opposed to it being like up here. Because like what is it? Let me see. When it's up here, sometimes when you have volume, I don't like seeing like this candle and the volume like overlapped. I don't really like that. So I prefer it to be mixed in with the RSI. It almost makes it kind of like a, what is it, a MACD? Yeah, it almost makes it like that, but not quite, because you don't have like the signal line and whatnot. Yeah, definitely agree. Let's pull SoFi up here. So SoFi offered those shares, and then they just blasted up more. They'd probably be up higher if they didn't offer those shares, but they're still going to do great over time. So good for SoFi. Made money on Tesla, then got kicked out on my stop loss. Hey, hopefully the stop loss was in profit. Hopefully, but yeah, that's something that it'll do, and then you'll watch it go back up. That is something it'll do. Doesn't look like APLD is done. Still trying to push up. Oh yeah, 36%. Yeah, up there at 1370. Let's go APLD. Uh, do I like bull? Yes, I like bull. That I do. At these levels, yes, I am a fan. Hey, $70. Hey, solid. Made money on TSLL puts this morning. Hey, he said, glad you cut out. All right, you probably could have. Oh wait, hold up. So SPY is back above the level now. Still not at the 48, but it's back above the level. Nothing crazy on the volume, but it's not dead either. Oop. That was actually a good dip by whoever said they got like what was it, 539 or 639 calls. Hey, you're doing good. Sup, fam? Them Macy's puts are on fire. Let's see. Let's check in on Macy's. Oh yeah, it's been, yeah. It's been falling pretty consistently. Get you a good start every morning. It's coming down. I feel like I need a nap. Oh, somebody just rang my doorbell. Hold up. Oh, it's UPS. Hold up, y'all. Yeah. All right, so we're back. I don't usually have to sign for things, so that's interesting. But or that was interesting. But yo, package was delivered. Yeah, all good. Oh yeah, hit the like button. Where you see Tesla pushing up to in the call, looks like there's. So yeah, the first area I would kind of look at would be like 315. Um, then just kind of watch this EMA. But after 315, looks like 316, then almost 317. So pretty much all I'm doing is just looking left, looking at the areas. Like you can see, you'll have like a run, and it's like the points, the swing points, the areas where it's changing direction. That's based on a 5 minute though. If we go up to like a 15, then I might just look at 1633. Then probably look up to like 18. And then kind of like once it's gone enough, I would just kind of, a new trend will be formed. Like this right here, this was a downtrend. This whole like movement, you can draw like trend lines on that. I would want to do that the other way. Here, let me pull up NVIDIA up here. Yeah, it's like we're going up with like low volume. All right, so I can see we have the PCE elevated. It's at 60. Well, it's not like crazy elevated, but it's higher. What do you think about? Yeah, we can take a look at Micron. Yeah. Do they have earnings tonight? No. Hold up. Oh, they had earnings like a couple weeks ago. Here, let's actually zoom out some more. So Micron on the weekly, they are bullish all the way until they get to this 92.45. So they're in a bullish range on the weekly. So know that like them pulling back to this level is probably a strong buy. Like if you get more time, dropping down to the 4 hour, they do appear to be in a downtrend. This 108 area is going to be the nearest area of support. But as of right now, yeah, they are in a downtrend. And Yeah, this right here is the latest range. Yeah, so yeah, this is the range. The range right now is currently from about 116.50 down to like 108. And like ideally like short-term range, short-term moves, you come up here, you take a short down to here or later. Like where it is right now is like you would hope for a break, or if it ends up consolidating back up here, you look for it to come down some more. 315, I'll exit after it hits VWAP on the 2 minute. Already up 18K. Hey, nice. Do Tesla. Tesla is already kind of analyzed. It's like cannot really. I don't have anything to really say about Tesla. Tesla's very weird right now. Or actually, right now the 4-hour range on Tesla is going to be from 338.91 down to 300. That's the range. Everything in here is internal. So ideally, you catch us back at that, like, say, like upper, like close to 340 area. Right now, well, actually, hold up. Yeah, right now, just trend wise, that's a good area for a short. Here, let's go. And then looks like we got a new range on the SPY. And I'm going to say it's actually like, here, let's go to the daily real quick. Actually looks like increasingly bearish. So yeah, this is going to be the new range on the SPY. This is what it looks like on the 4-hour. It looks like more black candles, but this is a new range on the SPY. It's technically a bullish range. And now this right here, this 645 is an area of interest where there is liquidity and we would look for upside. So here, let's get that marked in. Here, let's see that on a 1-hour real quick. Yeah. All right, so here, let's go back to a 5. All right, pushing up on the SPY a little bit, up at 638. Hey, let's do a quick check-in on the votes. Yo, we got 78 votes. And we got 67 likes. Yo, how do we get the likes looking like the votes? So yeah, 56% voted green, 31% voted red, while 13% said break even. Ooh. So when I closed out of my AMD put yesterday, or not put, when I closed out my AMD call yesterday, this is kind of what I was afraid of. You see how they're still kind of leaving it in this range. It did pop up and go kind of like crazy in the pre-market, but you can see pretty much as soon as the market opened, it drops down to like 180. So they're not trying to pay anyone out. It did come up here to 182, but they're really not trying to. They're not trying to pay anybody out, and that's kind of what I was afraid with for the contracts I got on the weekly. Like AMD, it does want to go up. It just has to kind of do it sneakily now. The lurkers be lurking. Let's avoid Alcatraz and hit that like button. Hey, yo. Like button. Hey, let's smash that. I would like to see if we can stay here. It's like I see some liquidity on the SPY, but well, it's on the 5 minute. Here, let's see what are we looking like on the 15. Not quite yet. Okay, I see y'all. Got us up to 72. Hey, we're catching up to the votes. Catching on up. See what we got today. Bro, the UPS dude rang my doorbell. So wild. Get my doorbell rang. No, it's not wild, but just doesn't happen too often. Oh, hold up. Y'all, I'm about to... Y'all see the volume on the SPY? On the 5 minute? I'm going to go for a 0 DTE. I'm going to go for a 638 put. I paid 119 for it. Notice the volume is coming up, so I'm gonna alert the family real quick. We'll see if anything comes of that. But let's see. Just grabbed a 138 SPY 0 DTE paid. What I pay? Like 119 for sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll see how that does. It would be a dream for it to come down here. First target. We'll actually say like right there. I gotta put on the SPY. AMD better than NVIDIA. When it comes to percentage gains, AMD is going to be better than NVIDIA. in my opinion. So I am buying AMD right now over Nvidia. Whenever it comes to like a company, the company valuation, of course Nvidia is going to be better, but like percentage returns, we can like actually look at it from the year. If we go by a monthly chart and we have AMD right here, and we look at the start of the year, where is the start of the year? So we started the year out right here. Where's the little tool? All right, so this was January 2025. We opened up 122 on AMD. On the year, it's up 47%. Now, if we pull up Nvidia, go to the monthly, get rid of some of this. Yeah, we go to Nvidia, and they started the year out like, I guess from 118. Oh, I guess on the year, Nvidia, like from where they open, is up. But if we go year over year, AMD is up a lot more. What was I doing? What was right here? Here, we'll just throw all that back in. There we go. Here, let's see. What was saying? Yeah, I got a 638. Yo, hope we're all making money today. Hey, about to. I just entered my first move today. Should get some money from this. Should get some money. I believe SPY making a retest of previous day high to move up. Hey, could be. Since April, AMD crushing. Hey. Oh, AMD was like they were really down. I think AMD was down in like 70, in the 70s. It was nasty. All right, got a little consolidation going on here. You said I have AMD too? Uh, yeah, I have AMD. I got some shares. See what my average is. My average cost is like 118 on AMD. Oh, I didn't get a trade on AMD today. The last trade I had on AMD, the strike price was like 182.50, but I didn't get a trade on AMD today. No, we were just talking about AMD. So nothing like that when it comes to me having AMD. I thought you were talking about the shares. All right, let's see if we can get below this support level on the SPY. Oh, hold up. That's an AMD contract. I'm like, yo, how am I already up that much? Or not AMD contract, my AMD shares. All right, so the SPY put is up 12%, up $14, or 14% now, $17. up 16%, 15%. A little pullback on the SPY. All right, it's up 21% on the little SPY put. Up $28, 25%, 26%. It might come back up for a little bit first. I mean, it'd be clean if it like just goes straight down, but I can see it coming back up first. You know how they like to do, not bring stuff in a straight line. Oh, y'all, yesterday, that little SPY spread I had for the calls, bro, I was annoyed. It got closed out at 2, but then right at market open or market close, the SPY contracts are still good for 15 minutes. Yo, I should have been paid out like $100 for it. I was very annoyed. It's part of the annoyance of these brokers just closing out the contracts for you. That's one reason I like X. Yeah. Oh, I feel you. I feel you. Settles his cash. Yeah, that's nice. What is my wife doing? She's being loud. And just so darn risky. Hey, it's, having less risk, definitely nice. Alright, so not out of the woods yet with this SPY put. This little high risk 0 DTE. But we do still have the increasing volume, like to the downside. So that's a good look for now. Tatiana, hey, what's up? Hope all is well. Just so you're aware of what's going on, I grabbed a 0 DTE on the SPY. It's a 638 put. Just so you know what's going on. Been crushing leaps and bounds. Hey, that's what we love to hear. Hey, thank you for checking in, Tatiana. But it's you. Hey, what's up? Hello again. No, you stopped by earlier, right? All right, making some moves on the but yeah, good luck with 0 DTE. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, gotta be quick. I'm just hoping we get enough momentum to let it like kind of carry me like a little bit more worry free. Otherwise, I'll just try to like step out. right, pulling on back a little bit. I feel like I may have paid an elevated price. Probably should have paid more attention. I'm up like 20%, but let's see. See if we can keep this up. All right, still selling off, looking decent. All right, coming on down. Let me check in on Microsoft again. Oh yeah, it's still coming down. Or actually, it's just consolidating. Yo, it's trying to hold up. Trying to hold up on this SPY. Honestly, the contract's not really moving that much. I don't know what it means. Hey, can't help but notice we got at least 2 lurkers lurking. Show yourselves. Here, let me jump up to a 15 just to get a glimpse. All right, so we had one candle above right here, and it was almost an indecision candle. Didn't even realize that. All right, so we're about to close right here. Let's see. Oh, I guess we're not. All lurkers, selfie pics. Hey, I don't see any lurkers now. Hey, if there are lurkers out there, hey, they're definitely hiding pretty well. Cause hey, 80-80. There's a like for everybody on the stream. Yo, I'm down on a 1 minute right now. And go back to a 2. Oh yeah, we're coming. Yeah, we're still turning down on the 2. Oh, so we got okay, 81 now. Hey, we're beating it. Oh no, hey, we're not anymore. Not anymore though. We got 2 lurkers again. It's always a battle. Got a whole lot of consolidation today. And we still got 4 minutes for this candle. Go back to the 5. D Scurry got the crown. I see. What's that last one? The sun? Okay, moving down a little more. Who knows where to buy? Not I. Richard. All right, let's see. About to cut out for lunch with the fam. Be blessed, all peace out. Make that money. Hey, peace out, D Skirt. Enjoy your lunch. Oh, he was Lucky J. He was laughing at the little emoticons you sent. All right, we got about to close this candle out. Let's see the 15. We got 1 minute left. Oh, it's not really that much on the 15. It looked like a solid amount on the 5, but come on down. A little lower. A little lower. And we got like 5 seconds left on this candle. Okay, close. Hey, close below the line. Looking like we're trying to extend our move down a little bit. Trying. Oh, let's go for it. Come on. Come on, move on down. Move on down. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, we are cross to the downside too. This could work out. I'm gonna brush it up against. Yeah, bring it on down. Let's go. Come on. Right, let's go right back where you came from. That 635 is missing you. Can we get a break even close on the day? That would be the move. All right, trying to go on to make a low. Let me also look at something. So this is a downtrend still. So this would be a lower high. And from here, Sarah, what's up? Good afternoon. Hope all has been well with you. Good to have a face for the name now. All right, selling off a little bit more. Okay. Hey, we will take it. Oh yeah, let's get this. Let's get this move. All right, selling on off a little bit. Oh yeah, hit the like button. Thank you, Amanda. Selling on off. Uh, been busy today. Hey, be like that. I hope it's a good busy. Hopefully it hasn't been too stressful. Uh, what? So I had it's a 638 put. I paid 119 for it. It's currently at like 163. All right. Yeah, come on, spy. Yes, make movement. All right, so I just cut out. I can see this like still moving, but it's like the size I'm using, the amount I'm using isn't like much. So I when I'm like trading with less, I gotta be more cautious. So I need to just wanted to cut out and take profit. I don't know where the contract went though. I'm trying to share it with the family. Here. I didn't get a screenshot. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Out at 174 per share. Oh, oh wait. Per share on SPY puts. There we go. All right. So yeah, there. It's still moving, but yeah, it's looking good. So what's that doing? All right. So that is the trade. I still really want like something to do with Meta, but it might not happen today. So let's see. Hey, M says, here I am to press the like button. Mighty Mouse. Is that like an actual character, or is that just like you're saying the voice of a mouse, but it's a Mighty Mouse voice? I appreciate you, Steve. Love you too, man. For I would be nothing without y'all. Well, I would still be something. Like it's just the purpose that I serve would not be the same, and who knows what that would be. Cook icons. Lucky J. Glad I'm not the only one that caught that reference. Oh, cool. Oh, okay. Could it be liquidity for a move up? It could be. I feel like so. two things that could occur here. I think we'll still come lower. I think we'll still at least come to like 636.70. But yeah, there's a lot of things that could be happening, and it's like I would want to ride more, but yeah, I see like there's some liquidity there. There's liquidity here. Uh, Thing is, we're still in a downtrend, like on the 15. So all day we've been in a downtrend. If we check all the ranges, we've been putting lower lows and lower highs. This right here is a lower high, and we haven't stopped the trend yet. So we could actually come make a lower low. But I will say this 635 area, I feel like if we sweep this, there is a good chance that we go higher. So that might be an entry for more upside. Just because the trend on the SPY is still up. So while I don't have it in me to ride all the way to that level, or at least not with a 0 DTE, I think we could still pull back some more. I'm locked. It's an actual character. I'll look him up right now. Let's see, Mighty Mouse. Let's see. I know Mickey Mouse. Okay, I've seen this mouse before. Oh, okay. It's been a while since Mighty Mouse came about. 1942, 1944, and then the latest, a revival series, 1987 through 1988. Yeah, that last revival series was still like 10 years before I was born. Oh, it's like there's a lot that I'm aware of before I was born, but yo, yeah, I do not know his voice. Hey, shout out to the 86 people that have smashed a like, and then hey, lurkers, come on, the weather's nice over here. Hey, we're friendly. We're friendly around these parts. We welcome you. Okay, so so these are bots. Will the Okay, these like okay, so I'm that's the XAI X101 token. Those are going to be banned words now in this chat because I'm pretty sure these are bots. Wait, how do I? I'm pretty sure there's a way to add like banned words. Here, let's see. Let's see. Oh, there are a lot of users that are hidden from this channel. Let's see. Let me make sure there's not anybody I know on here. I think we're chilling. Ooh, okay. I see some of the blocked words on here. I'm like, oh, these are words I would not want to type, but yo, the way they make me, yo, do not make me feel good with these words. But let me see what that little token was so I can get that blocked because I'm tired of these little comments. Where is it at? All right, so let's see. All right, cool. There we are. So I think it's blocked now. Like if anyone tries to do that, I'm gonna see if it'll let me do it. It should, but I feel like if one of y'all tried to like copy and paste that, it's not gonna do it. Feel free to try it and let me know if you try it. But yeah. Oh yeah, I know it before your time. Heck, he's before my time, but like you said, they were okay. Wow, know you're popular when you get bots. Hey, honestly, I've been getting bots for like years, but I usually like delete them. But I guess for the oh no, Lucky J, I see your comment. Maybe it's because you're a moderator. But no, these bots are like, I think anything to do with anybody trading, they're trying to get the hype in. Okay, Lucky J, just out of curiosity, did you retract that yourself, or did it just happen? Just for the heck of it, I'm assuming you stayed out of SoFi. Well, I didn't. I'm in a call. Expires tomorrow. Bot. Oh, okay. Uh, what kind of strike are you looking at on it? M cents. Yeah, M cents. Are you ready or able to type it? Just out of curiosity. Oh, Exocol, you typed it. No, I can't see it. Okay. Cool. So it works. It works. I guess moderators just get a little extra freedom. $25 call. Um, I feel like you might be screwed, possibly. I feel like they're going to try to toy with you. I can see it going above that, but I think they're going to try to let the contracts expire before it goes above that again. Like SoFi, I'm in puts and leaps. It's been steady up. Yeah, I like SoFi as well. And I think it can go both ways as well. So, well, I got shares. Don't have puts right now, but I am watching for when they pull back. Solid. Okay. Hey, we got 10 lurkers on the 10 lurkers on now. All right, paid $8 is down to 2. But SoFi looks like it's been having a good day. So like SoFi went up to 25, and then they announced that they were offering more shares, which kind of devalued the shares. Oh, there goes the SPY is going down more. But they offered more shares, which devalued them. So with that, they are, the shares are less valuable, or like, yeah, the shares are more diluted. So that kind of like changes the numbers and targets a little bit, but I still think it'll go higher than that, just not necessarily in that time frame. Romero, hey, what's up, family? Hey, all is well. Got our little W for the day. Hope you're doing well too, man. Did you take any interesting trades today, or see anything interesting that you like today? Okay. Oh yeah, hit the like button, y'all. I know y'all see Lucky J. The heart is just the cutest little thing. I thought it was gonna get to 24 It got to 2380. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like do you see the games they played this morning? Bro, they like blasted everything up and then like right at open they sold it all off. And what's up with this chart? Yeah, they sold it all off right at open and pretty much it's like yesterday I was like looking at it, I was like, man, I shouldn't have sold out that AMD. And then like market opens, I'm like, oh, I'm glad I sold off that AMD. And then the stuff I'm looking for, it hasn't really happened yet. So but it's the last day of the month. Wait, no trades for me today. Eyeing a line. Let's take a look at a line. Here. Okay. It looked like they did a little selly sell. Wait, what day was this? Well, they announced. Okay, last night. Okay. Nasty little sell off. Sold down from 205 down to 132. They reported earnings yesterday and got clobbered, waiting for a good entry. Okay, let me check the history. Let's see. Oh, look at SPY still going. Yeah, I didn't have it in me to hold to that, but look at SPY going. I'm kind of curious where the contract's at though. Oh wait, that's tomorrow's. I was about to say that contract went. Then I was like, it doesn't even make sense for it to be that far. That SPY contract. It's about it'd be like $90 profit right now. So still nothing too crazy. That's still alright though. I heard you say something about Fubo for me, but I was distracted. Couldn't really do anything. Set a buy order for 4. Grab one share or first share and see what happens. I think I said something about Fubo to you yesterday. So yesterday pre-market, Fubo was doing things. I think Fubo kind of broke out of some levels, and here we can look it over here. Oh wait, hold up. AMD's trying to come down. But yeah, Fubo, I think I had like resistance at like 415 or something. I want to say it went to like, here, let's see. Yesterday, is this pre-market that I did this? Let's go to a 4 hour. Yeah, this was today I drew this. So yesterday, I want to say I had resistance at like 415. Okay, and it went up to like 451. So there was like a little move there yesterday. I think some people told me they made about 30% off that. Oh yeah, back to what I was looking at on the line. I was trying to see if we can. Oh, hold up. Okay, this is a weekly chart. There is some liquidity here. Let me I feel like I need more space. Yeah, this is actually, let's go to a monthly. All right. Yeah, this is like a solid. Have we reacted to this? Yeah, I think we have. I was about to say if we haven't, we have reacted since. Yeah, so this zone is kind of dead. And it's like I would say, oh, there's liquidity here. I mean, there kind of is. There is liquidity. Have we come for this specifically? Let's see. Let's really get in here. Oh, there we go, selling off some more. There's the money. Let me see where this contract's at. Oh yeah, now it's up like 120 now. Okay, it's gone 100%. Hey, that's cool though. I'll take the 44 I got. All right, but looking back at a line, let's see what we're working with today. Oh, we're over here. Oh, they hadn't even made it. Okay. I almost set my alert here. I think that might be something. On the 4 hour, it's super over. So let's see the weekly. Yeah, I want to see if it can get there. Yeah, that looks like a nice level. Okay, thanks, Ramiro. Yeah. Yesterday, by the way, not today. Okay. Back to 2017 values. Yep, I just watched your videos. Super Franken health pool, especially the stop loss on Robinhood. I wish I knew before. Hey, I know how you feel, Elon. The colors of the like button. Oh yeah, be sure to smash the like button while we're discussing it. MVTS semi. Yeah. You know what? Let me see if I can I might buy some in VTS with my profits from the day real quick. Or actually I might buy one share. I might let me see. Let me see if it'll let me like transfer money to my Roth today. Was my profit on that? Let me go to the SPY. How do I get to my history? Oh, there we go. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Oh, cool. It'll let me transfer today. Yesterday was not letting me transfer. All right, so yeah, yesterday I was trying. Ooh, yo, hold up, it's back down here. Yo, I was talking about All right, y'all. I might have to double dip and go for a second trade or go for a swing. Go for it tomorrow. Let's see what we're looking like. Let's see if we push past this at all. But I'm actually hold up. I might let's see if we do it. Wow, if I would have held a little longer. 15 more minutes. I was here too. That's crazy. But okay, we're here. Um, all right. So I grabbed a SPY 636 call. Yeah, we'll see if that plays out. It expires tomorrow. So no expiration for today, but we'll kind of see. This is intended on being a swing, or intended to be a swing. But let me alert the family. Yeah, it's like you never know how fast these things are going to happen. Just bought, or wait, grabbed a SPY August for, oh, hold up, wait, call, wait, was it a SPY 636 call? Call expiring August 1st, paid $2.48 per share. Yeah, we'll see if we can find any life for this. If this ends up being liquidity, if not, may have to get stopped out on this one. But we'll see. It's like I'm playing 4 hour on this. Oh, hold up. No, this looks, it could be a continuation. We'll have to see. Wait, no. On the 1 hour though. No, we're still in the same. Oh, hold up. We came from down here though. We'll see. I might. Oh, if we get a pop off this, I might have to make it free or something. But yeah, as I was saying beforehand, I'm gonna pick up like 2 shares of NVTS just to kind of get me a little, just so I have it. Give me like 2 shares. There we go. I'm now a proud shareholder of NVTS. All right, let's see. Let me check the volume. Oh yeah, we did get some volume, some selling volume right there. What was I doing? Yo, I'm way back behind on the comments, but okay. Very welcome, Romero. Wanted Wolf at 485, it dipped to 489 and shot back up. Just my luck. Hey, that's Philip's stock right there. I think Philip's been talking about it since too. I hope he's still holding it. I know he's had a journey with that one. Lucky J. SPY is gone. Hey, right? Sold my put too. Let me see where the put went, just out of curiosity. But it went where I was talking about it going. So it was oh yeah, that thing. Yeah, that'd be a 200% return right there. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, we'll have to grow the portfolio. Or I guess I gotta like max out my Roth first. with the money I'm making before I grow the portfolio, because it's like I keep sending the profits over to my Roth. Oh, AMD pulled back to 177. Ricey is having a good day. Oh, Rolls Royce. Okay, so they gapped up. Interesting. What kind of volume do they even get? Oh yeah, that's low volume. Yeah, but good for them. Good for them. Let's pull that up. None taken. I'm with 4 lead. Okay. Out of my range. Oh, you said how much? I think I paid like 248 for it. But I would say my confidence is kind of lower on that after looking at it. I was more confident about the first trade I took. After like reviewing and like seeing the updated look at on the 4-hour, it could get nasty. But also, I think I might be down to swing it. Or actually, hold up. I don't know. SPY is at 634. That it is. SPY continuing down. Oh no. Just know whenever you like, just for future, whenever you see anything like, say like, oh, this was a sweep of liquidity. I will say I see like more like the downtrend is strong, so I will say that. But whenever you see like a sweep of liquidity or something, if it like goes below it considerably, don't necessarily get like blown out or like thrown off by that. More like look to like say like, oh, like for me, I'm like, oh yeah, let me give it a 15-minute candle. Let me see what happens with the next 15-minute candle. If we get like a solid close below, it's like, oh, I need to get out. But it's like, yo, it could push all the way down to 629. And then by the end of this 15-minute candle, be back up here. And it's like, oh, the trade's fine. But it's like you get scared, sell out at 629. But had you waited another 2 minutes, it's back up here. The market does play some like strong manipulation games like that. So just know that's something they do. I'm looking for a better entry point on a leap for AMD. All right, so AMD, I want to say I was looking at like 172 or something. Hold up. It wasn't necessarily leap, but looking at it right now, there's the next kind of area would be like 174 or so. There's like a little liquidity there. But looks like if you catch it at like 166, 165, that's like get in, like go on, like for sure. That's like that 174 area is like it's a maybe. It's like you got an okay chance, but 166, it's like strong. I grabbed 100 shares just before the dip. I sold the leap option, still holding. Might buy another 100 or 200 up in VTS. Hey, great minds think alike. I mean, you got a lot more than me, but hey, great minds think alike. Do you trade from your phone? So yes, I trade from my phone. Today's just been Robinhood, but yeah, I use Robinhood and Moomoo predominantly. And yeah, those are the only ones I really trade options on. I'll probably like get back to Weeble at some point, but with the Weeble it'll probably be like longer term plays. Oh, and okay, so this is a perfect example. Like what I was saying about like looking at what the 15-minute candle does. Yeah, we were down here at 634. People were freaking out in the comments. Same candle, we're up here. We're already back. I think I am probably in the green on that contract. Wait, what was it, a call? Yeah, that the contract that I just got, I'm up 7% on right now. So sometimes you just gotta. It's like when you see sweeps of liquidity. Sometimes the dollar value does not matter. It's more like, yo, give it a certain amount of time. Look at the candle. 7 more likes. Oh, you're very welcome, Sarah. Yeah, I think they have. And for the record, I think they have their strengths. So I think Robinhood's just like extra easy to use. Moomoo's easy to use, but Robinhood's like extra easy. I feel like there are less errors with Moomoo. A lot better research and tools and stuff in Moomoo, but they're both great. All right, coming back down a little bit. We'll see what happens. So the downtrend does continue. Know that. Here, I'm gonna set an alert at this area over here. Or let's see here. Let's see if we. Oh, hold up. Gonna slide that down. Yeah, set an alert at 6:36. Yeah, I might try to cut out of that spy, y'all. Just to give y'all an early heads up. I'm not sure if we'll be on stream, but yeah, I'll probably try to cut out of that spy like after looking at it. But I'm gonna try to see if we can get to 6:36 or wait around for that. But I don't think I want to hold that overnight just with the way we're looking, because I saw the 4 hour and we might be getting ready to come down. See, we're like moving up on the VIX and stuff, so I'll let y'all know. Yo, we're so close, so close. Yo, 5 more likes and we're free from El Salvador. I don't know if there happens to be any lurkers out there that wants to come over to the bright side, but hey. VIX also shot up, which is typically a good. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, yeah, the VIX elevated a little bit. It's just up 62 cents. Yeah, it's like might sell off some. So yeah, I'm not trying to come down. I appreciate the sharing, Pete, cause it's like yeah, it's like that call I made. It's like I had something I was looking at, but that's why it's usually a good idea to check multiple time frames. I'm in the trade, but I think I want to get out. What was I gonna say? Oh, okay. I see we got 2 more likes. Yo, we're like right there, right there. Okay. Oh, we had 97, 3 more. Hey, we done did the thing. Okay. All right, so we're pushing out. Let me see if I can get like a free trade or something. Still up like 8%. let's look at these. Oh shoot. Oh, appreciate that. Okay. Appreciate you, know what I'm saying? Okay, we done did it. Okay. Really like the ease of Robin. Yeah, Robinhood is a very easy, almost like gamified. You know that they tried to sue Robinhood for being like too gamified. Yes, it does. It does look good with that name, M Sense. Yo, we've done it. We've done it. Oh, shoot, we've done it and more. One on one. I feel like every time we do it, it's like we always like go on and push past. It's like, oh yeah, move on. Oh, I just got a delivery. This time they didn't ring on my doorbell. All right, let's see. Let me just take a look. Okay, right now, let's see if we can we get above this on the 2? In here, find these charts. It's one of them days. Yeah, AMD's at the 4-hour 13 EMA though. That's oh, just getting notifications about deliveries. Yeah, push on up. Let's go. Come on. Let me see how much. What I say? I paid. I think like. All right, yeah. I'm gonna get one in the chamber. Just set it up to see if I can get a free trade, so I don't use a day trade. But if it comes down to it, I'll use one if I have to. But yeah, we'll see if it goes up. I have it set to sell a 637 call to make the trade break even. And if it ends up coming up and that doesn't get filled, then I'll go on and try to do something else. Oh yeah, push on up, Spy. Yeah, I'm gonna just give everyone a heads up. I'll probably exit this. Okay. Yeah, just gave everyone's a heads up. All right. Oh, dang. Okay, we got a 105 likes. Okay, y'all trying to show out in here. Really doing. Oh, actually, I don't know if we're playing supply and demand. Oh, this is a 2 minute, but honestly, that's still like doable. But 2 minute supply is up around like 636.88. Let's look at the 5. It could happen. It could happen. Just thank you all. Well, like it's yes, sir. Hey, we done did the thing. We are free. No El Salvador. Really not a fan of making that thumbnail happen. It was kind of fun the first couple times, but I don't want to do it anymore. All right. Might be putting in this is a 5-minute, but might be putting in lower high here. Or maybe we go for a double bottom. I don't know. Go back to a 15. Yeah, I don't think y'all are going to see the conclusion of this trade unless we just like blast up, but oh, I got distracted. Let's look at Meta. Yeah, Meta is just nothing all day. So we got Amazon and we got Apple today. Be an interesting after hours. Oh, going back down a little bit. Oh, but we're chilling. We're chilling. No, we should be good. Cause we just got that little sell off. But that was kind of bullish. So it might come back down here and it might push back up. We'll check the anything on Nvidia. Nope. Do you have anything on Nvidia? Nvidia looks like the same as, or on the day they look similar to AMD. So right now, not really much to say about them. When using a limit order to sell, which price should be set higher? Stop price or the limit price? Off the top of my head, I'm not sure. I gotta like actually be looking at it. But if it's a stop limit, the stop price, I think the stop price you want to set higher and then have the limit price below it, because the stop is the price that triggers it and the limit is the order is the lowest it accepts. So if it's triggered at 100, but you have your limit price at 101, then it'll have to come down to 100 and go back up to 101 for you to get taken out. But if it falls to 100 and just keeps going, then you're going to still be in the trade. So you want it to be lower, or want your limit to be lower. Appreciate you, Lucky J. Are you in the spy call? Yeah, I'm in the spy call. I'm not like watching it too closely. I'm gonna let it do what it does. I'm probably gonna be in this. Like I told you, I'm going to look to cut out here, but we'll see. It looks like the trend might actually change and go upward here in a little bit. So we'll kind of see. This will be something I have to evaluate kind of maybe later towards the end of the day. If it runs up to the level I need, then I'll automatically kind of like just take profits. But we'll kind of see. Oh, thank you, Mahishu. I was able to kind of like work my way to that conclusion, but thank you for like jumping in there and getting the answer anyway. Like it's like I had to think. It's like I have to like kind of like talk myself through it. So if I won out at 18, set, huh? Is this the sell price or is this the stock price? Because you want your stop, whatever is going to, the stop is what's going to trigger the order. So wherever you want the price to like start happening, that's where you want your stop at. He said, so if I want out at 18, no, if the assuming the price is above 18, you would want your stop. Like if you were gonna, I mean, usually I wouldn't set them that far apart. First off, personally, it's like if anything, I would put it right under. But if like for instance, if I have my stop at 18, then I would have my limit at 17. Or maybe you do want them that far apart, depending on what you're looking at. But I'm gonna be honest. I don't use stop limits like that. There's also like, it's also easy that you could use a stop market order too. Like a stop market order will, I mean, it can get nasty. But like if you don't know and you're trying to be quick, like as soon as your stop price hits, it's gonna sell you for whatever it can sell you for. So you'll for sure get sold out. It's just sometimes it'll get nasty. All right, so we got more selling pressure coming. See if I can find like a solid like little. Oh, I would say it's not even like that clean for today's like trends. Want like a nice clean trend line. So crossed down on the 15, crossed up on the 30, crossed up on the 1, crossed up on the 4. Honestly, that's what I'm thinking, Brad Guy. I'm gonna kind of let mine do what it does. Honestly, I'm even cool with it if it comes back down to the 631. But because that's where I was not wanting it to come, but I might actually get a second one if it comes down there. Now that we're looking at it. I'm not down that bad. Well, I'm down 25%, but it's not too crazy. Yeah, we're selling on down a little bit. All right, family. So that's gonna do it for today. Yeah, we'll have to see what developed from this. Very interested to see. But yeah, with that being said, family, yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Got an interesting day up ahead of us. Got Meta earnings this evening. Got not Meta. Got Amazon. Got Apple. Got Coinbase. Got Reddit. Got Riot. In the morning, we got. Oh wait, that's yeah. All this going on. Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all are prepared or make sure you're positioned properly. But yeah. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Tatiana. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Levi. Peace out, Phi 9 Co. Peace out. Oh. Did I say peace out, M-Sense? Yeah, I said M-Sense. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Elegant Boom. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Bread Guy. Oh no. Hey, it happens though. Hey, it sounds like you were getting bread. So it's all good. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, XO Cole. Peace out, Jorman. Yeah. Yo, y'all stay blessed. All right, so hopefully I'll see y'all tomorrow. You have a nice evening as well, Levi. Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.